Ideally suited to a VW or similar pop-top camper with its compact size and low weight, not just of the unit itself, but of the solar panel, this really is an easy upgrade to supercharge the power in your camper. So stick with us to find out more. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I'd know what you didn't like. The AllPowers S2000 Pro and flexible solar panel will suit many as a simple and easy way to upgrade the power generation, capacity and functionality in your campervan. With its light and flexible panel, it's ideally suited to a pop-top camper like this VW California. So let's take a look at exactly why that is and how it performs. Unlike some power banks, the S2000 Pro comes with everything you could possibly need. The bank itself with instructions and warranty details, mains power and 12-volt power cables in a neat storage bag and a robust protective all-over cover. The solar panel arrives well protected and with cables and tie straps if you want to temporarily mount it. Having a look at the power station, we can see that it has 4 UK 240 volt sockets, a 30 amp 125 volt RV outlet, a 10 amp 12 volt socket, 2 USB-C sockets and 4 standard USB-A sockets, which gives plenty of options for connections. Solar panel or 12 volt lead connects here, and around the back we have the mains power connection. The unit has a very powerful 2400 watts continuous 4000 watt peak pure sine wave inverter, which as you can see is very capable of supplying lots of different items. The screen is easy to understand and with just 3 buttons it's very easy to control. You can also connect it by Bluetooth to the AllPowers app, which enables you to remotely monitor and switch on and off the outlets, which is helpful if you have it stored out of sight. To compare the size, let's put it against another power bank, which admittedly has more battery power, but you can see it is significantly larger in all dimensions. Plus, it's a lot heavier, which could put many smaller van owners off. The solar panel here on our van is a 200 watt highly efficient monocrystalline ETFE panel. This makes it more robust and prevents the delamination issues you can get with previous flexible panels. It's also fully waterproof to IP68 standards and weighs in at just 4.1 kilograms. At a combined cost of £1,000, check out the link and discounts in the video description. It's a really simple, compact and effective solution to get additional battery power and off-grid 240 volts. You can get the S2000 Pro with various different options of solar panels should you want to. There is one thing to call out about the S2000 Pro: it doesn't use Li-Fi P04 batteries, it uses lithium-ion batteries to keep the weight and dimensions down. The biggest thing to consider on this is that the battery cycles on lithium-ion are lower than on Li-Fi P04. However, most lithium-ion batteries are expected to get 2000 to 3000 cycles, which will be plenty as the power bank comes with a 5-year warranty and there's 2-year warranty on the solar panel. If you do want a, albeit larger and heavier, Li-Fi P04 solution, take a look at our review linked here and in the video notes of the AllPowers R2500. But now let's get on with testing out the S2000 Pro. We'll be running kettle, microwave, coffee machine and double induction hob from the S2000 Pro while we're away for a weekend. The solar panel is on our windscreen, so similar to being mounted on a tilted pop top and we won't be moving it to angle at the sun. We'll record the power the solar puts in using this Coulomb meter and the 240 volt power we take out with this watt meter. One thing I have to mention is that probably because of its compact size and high power, the fan of the S2000 is a little louder than we are used to with some other power stations. Here you can see the sound readings we got from about 2 foot away. It's not a major problem, but something to be conscious of and a compromise probably to keep the unit small. So over the weekend we used it to power 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, an evening meal and various hot drinks throughout the weekend. By the end of the weekend we had consumed just over 1000 watt hours of power, the solar panel had created 510 watt hours and the power station was still showing we had 40% left. Now this shows that there are the expected inefficiencies when creating the mains power and converting the solar power to battery power, but on the whole it's pretty good going. Recharging the power unit from mains, you can see that it takes 1.3 kilowatts, which means it will charge from empty in around an hour and a half. Here you can see the solar power and the power station in use in a VW California, which suits it perfectly. So overall, if you're looking to add mains power, extra power storage and solar power generation, this kit is so simple to use and its compact size and low weight make it ideal for even the smallest of camper vans.
Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.